In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 39, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right one. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the middle one. Now play it. Manage all of those options however you want to, or go back, hold it and use all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!